The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Kupiansk direction, 2 enemy battalion tactical groups made attempts to attack Russian units towards Vladimirovka and Kuzemovka of Lugansk People's Republic. Comprehensive firepower operation has resulted in halting and driving the units of the armed forces of Ukraine back to their initial positions. Moreover, 1 company tactical group of the Ukrainian armed forces has been neutralized near Peschanoye in Kharkov region. The enemy has lost a total of over 160 personnel, 6 tanks and 9 armored fighting vehicles in the above-mentioned direction. In the Krasny Liman direction, intensive action of Russian forces have resulted in the prevention of attacks intended to be launched by 4 company tactical groups of the Ukrainian armed forces towards Svatovo, Ploshanka, Makeivka and Chervonopopovka of Lugansk People's Republic. Attacks launched by Russian artillery and army aviation have resulted in the elimination of over 190 Ukrainian personnel, 1 tank, 6 armored fighting vehicles and 5 motor vehicles. In the South Donetsk direction, foreign mercenaries attempted to halt the advance of the Russian forces by counter-attacks towards Stepnoye, Vladimirovka and Pavlovka of Donetsk People's Republic. Operation of artillery and army aviation has resulted in the elimination of over 85 militants, 7 armored fighting vehicles and 2 pickups. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 4 Ukrainian command posts near Gavrilovka, Alexandrovka of Kherson region, Zhovtnevoye of Nikolaev region and Chernyshina of Kharkov region, as well as 58 artillery units at their firing positions, manpower and military equipment in 236 areas. 2 US-manufactured AN-TPQ-50 and AN-TPQ-36 counter-battery warfare radars have been destroyed near Lozovaya of Kharkov region and Zelonaya Dolina of Donetsk People's Republic. 1 ordnance depot of the 44th Artillery Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces has been destroyed near Varvarovka in Zaporozhye region. 1 armament and equipment depot has been destroyed near Peschanoye in Kharkov region. Within the counter-battery warfare, 1 battery of the US-manufactured M777 artillery systems has been neutralized near Kruglekovka of Kharkov region. Fighter aircraft of the Russian Aerospace Forces has shot down 1 Mi-8 helicopter of the Ukrainian Air Force near Yasnaya Polana in Zaporozhye region. Air defense facilities have shot down 6 unmanned aerial vehicles near Novaya Tarasovka of Kharkov region, Petrovskoye, Kirillovka of Donetsk People's Republic and Chistopolye of Zaporozhye region. Moreover, 3 rocket-propelled projectiles launched by HIMARS and Olha multiple launch rocket systems have been intercepted near Novaya Kakhovka, Novaya Mayachka in Kherson region and Volnovaha of Donetsk People's Republic. In total, 333 airplanes and 175 helicopters, 2,492 unmanned aerial vehicles, 388 air defense missile systems, 6,550 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 886 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,574 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 7,187 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.